friends, good morning to all of you. Today we are going to talk about future tense. Okay, we will talk about future tense. Okay, and we will discuss about four categories: future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. Okay, so first of all, future indefinite or simple future tense. First, simple future. Simple future tense. Subject plus will or shall plus verb first form plus object. Okay. If we talk about this is a simple future tense. If we talk about negative, subject plus will or shall plus not plus verb first form plus object. Okay. If you talk about interrogative sentence, will and shall plus subject plus verb first form plus object. If we talk about interrogative negative, will, shall plus subject plus not plus verb first form plus object. Okay. मैंने कहा राम कल स्कूल जाएगा, तो राम विल गो टू स्कूल. ओके, इसमें सेंटेंस के लास्ट में गा गे गी आ रहा है. ओके. राम कल स्कूल नहीं जाएगा, राम विल नॉट गो टू स्कूल. ओके, क्या राम स्कूल जाएगा, विल राम गो टू स्कूल. एंड क्या राम स्कूल नहीं जाएगा, विल राम नॉट गो टू स्कूल. ओके. So this is called simple future tense, right? One more example. हम कल चाय पियेंगे. Okay, we shall take tea tomorrow. Okay, हम कल चाय नहीं पियेंगे, we shall not take tea tomorrow. क्या हम चाय पियेंगे, क्या हम कल चाय पियेंगे, shall we take tea tomorrow. Okay, next, क्या हम कल चाय नहीं पियेंगे, shall we not take tea tomorrow. Okay, now I and we. Okay, we will use shall. Right? In writing we have to use shall with I and we. Okay. Next, let's talk about future continuous tense. This is simple future tense. Okay, and here we have to use will or shall, verb first form, will and shall, verb first form. Okay, verb first form and verb first form. Okay. One more thing I want to clear here, that will and shall, okay, they also play the role of modals. Okay, they also play the role of modals. Right? Next, let's talk about future continuous. Future continuous tense, or we can say future progressive tense. Okay, future continuous or future progressive, right? Subject plus will be, subject plus will or shall plus be plus verb first form ing plus object. Okay, if we talk about negative, subject plus will or shall plus subject plus will shall plus not plus be plus verb first form ing plus object. Okay. Next, if you talk about interrogative, will or shall plus subject plus be plus verb first form ing plus object. Okay. Or if we talk about interrogative negative, will or shall plus subject plus not plus be plus verb first form ing plus object. Okay. Let's take example. राम बीटेक कर रहा होगा. Okay. राम will be doing बीटेक. क्या राम राम बीटेक नहीं कर रहा होगा. राम will not be doing बीटेक. Okay. क्या राम बीटेक कर रहा होगा. Will राम be doing बीटेक. क्या राम बीटेक नहीं कर रहा होगा. Will राम not be doing बीटेक. Okay. So here we have to use be and we have to use verb first form ing. Okay. In future continuous tense, okay, we have to use be plus verb first form ing. Okay. Will be, will not be, will subject plus be, and will or shall plus subject plus not plus be. Okay. One more example. हम कल चाय पी रहे होंगे. We shall be taking tea tomorrow. We shall not be taking tea tomorrow. हम कल चाय नहीं पी रहे होंगे. Okay. Shall we be taking tea tomorrow? Shall we not be taking tea tomorrow? Okay. So this is called future continuous. Now let's move to perfect. Future perfect. Okay. If you talk about syntax, subject plus will have, shall have plus verb third form plus object. Okay. If we talk about negative, subject plus will not have or shall not have plus verb third plus object. If we talk about interrogative, will or shall plus subject plus have plus verb third form plus object. If we talk about interrogative negative, will or shall plus subject plus not plus have plus verb third form plus object. Right? So this is called syntax of future perfect. If we talk about example, मैं सोमवार तक ये कहानी खत्म कर चुका हूँगा. Okay, may I shall have finished this story by Monday. तुम 10 बजे तक स्कूल पहुंच चुके होंगे. You will have reached school by 10 o'clock. Okay, you suppose that if I say that तुम 10 बजे तक स्कूल पहुंच चुके होंगे, you will have reached school by 10 o'clock. Okay, if we talk about negative, okay, you will not have reached school by 10 o'clock. Okay, will you have reached school by 10 o'clock? Will you not have reached school by 10 o'clock? Right? So this is future perfect. One more example. पिताजी के आने से पहले माता खाना बना चुकी होगी. Okay. Now sentence a little bit complex. Okay. पिताजी के आने से पहले, okay, माता खाना बना चुकी होगी. Okay. Let's see. Mother will have cooked food before father comes. Mother will have cooked food before father comes. Okay. See, there are two sentences. Okay, पिताजी के आने से पहले और माता खाना पका चुकी होगी. Okay, so here we have to use this sentence. Okay, it shows future perfect and it shows present tense. Okay, suppose that one more thing that हमारे सोने से पहले माता खाना खा चुकी होगी. Okay, mother will have taken food before we sleep. Okay, so mother will have taken food. Okay, will have plus verb third form plus object. Okay, and here, okay, we have to use simple present tense, right? Okay, and this is future perfect tense. Okay. Now let's move to future perfect continuous. Future perfect continuous tense. Let's pay attention to syntax. Subject plus will have been, shall have been, plus verb first form ing plus object plus since of for. Will have been, shall have been, verb first form ing, object since and for. Okay. When we were studying perfect continuous, present perfect continuous. Okay. In present perfect continuous, we were using has been and have been. Right. And same thing. Verb first form ing, object since and for. Right. When we were using past perfect continuous, we were using had been. Okay, and same thing, verb first form ing, object since and for. Okay, but in future tense we are using will have been or shall have been plus verb first form ing plus object plus since and for. Okay. So if we talk about negative subject, sorry. If we talk about negative, okay, here we can use will not have been, okay, and shall not have been. Okay, subject plus will not have been or shall not have been, verb first form ing, object plus since or for. Okay, this is negative sentence. Okay, and if we talk about interrogative, will or shall plus subject plus have been plus verb first form ing plus object plus since or for, right? So will shall plus subject plus have been plus verb first form ing plus object plus since or for. Next, if we talk about interrogative negative, will or shall plus subject plus not plus have been plus verb first form ing plus object plus since or for. Okay. Once again, okay. If we talk about affirmative sentence, subject plus will have been plus will have been or shall have been plus verb plus ing plus object plus since or for. If we talk about negative, okay, will not have been, shall not have been, verb plus ing, object plus since or for. Okay, in interrogative, will shall को पहले निकालना है plus subject plus have been plus verb plus ing plus object. Will or shall plus subject plus not plus have been plus verb plus ing plus plus object plus since or for. Okay. Yes. राम 2 घंटे से क्रिकेट खेल रहा होगा. Okay. Ram will have been playing cricket for 2 hours. Okay. राम 2 घंटे से क्रिकेट नहीं खेल रहा होगा. Ram will not have been playing cricket for 2 hours. क्या राम 2 घंटे से क्रिकेट खेल रहा होगा? Will Ram have been playing cricket for 2 hours? Okay. क्या राम 2 घंटे से क्रिकेट नहीं खेल रहा होगा? Will Ram not have been playing cricket for 2 hours? Okay. One more sentence. Okay. हम 2020 से डिप्लोमा कर रहे होंगे. Okay. We shall have been doing diploma since 2020. Okay. हम 2020 से डिप्लोमा नहीं कर रहे होंगे. We shall not have been doing diploma since 2020. क्या हम 2020 से डिप्लोमा कर रहे होंगे? Shall we have been doing diploma since 2020. क्या हम 2020 से डिप्लोमा नहीं कर रहे होंगे? Shall we not have been doing diploma since 2020. So this is all about future tense. Okay, we studied future indefinite, I mean simple future tense, future continuous or future progressive tense, future perfect and future perfect continuous. Okay, I hope you must have got knowledge. Thank you very much.